What it do, what it done, what it is, what it isn't. You already know what this is. This is Once, a magazine dedicated to shit that I'm into. ZN. I'm your host P Fire, aka Finish the Fireboy, and this is another episode of Nice Bit of Kit Dat. And on today's episode of Nice Bit of Kit Dat, we have an unboxing. So let's get into it. I just got back from Bologna, I should say. Drop it like it's hot, drop it like it's hot. And yeah, I got this package waiting for me. I had a nice fruitful trip out in Bologna. I'll be sharing that with you real soon, so please stay tuned. But as for today, let's get into what we came to get into. And today's tool of choice is this little screwdriver. I know I've not got any better, but I have been hip to the game about this knife, so I'm eventually gonna get it, trust me, you know. So yeah, shout out Papa Dales for that, because you know I'm definitely gonna give that a little go there. So anyway, let's see. I might not need it, but I need to find where the groove is first, because I already had a heart in the mouth moment where I think I stabbed it. So I'm just like, oh shit, let me make sure I'm not some sort of renegade dancer. You know what I mean? Back in the place of the renegade dancer. I think I found the groove right there. It's well packaged, I'll give him that. No, that's not even a groove. Look at me. Looking like some sort of amateurish night at the Othello Theatre in Stratford. I don't know, I've made that up by the way, guys. Don't listen to a word of what I'm saying. You know what I'm saying? Let's try the other end, shall we? Okay. So, alright guys, I've not succeeded in opening this box. It's got to be the other end, isn't it? One more. Let's give it a go. No. What kind of boxing is this? Guys, this has to be the best boxing in the history of boxing, and the worst unboxing in the history of unboxing. What the hell? Is that the groove or no? Look at me. Oh, I found it. Oh god, jeez, that was a long thing. All right, guys, we finally get there. What do we have here, eh? God, what a long thing. Let's see what we got. Very nicely packaged. Very nicely packaged. There's a bit of that here. Alright guys, unboxing done. You know what I'm saying? We won't say too much, but we'll get into it at some point. You know how we do. Another episode of Nice Bit of Kit Dat. We're going to go through this. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching. You already know what this is. This has been another episode of Nice Bit of Kit Dat. You guys have been dope. You've been fly. I've been your host, P Fire. And yeah, remember, stay fly, stay dope. And yeah, this has been Once. We are not the same. Magazine dedicated to shit that I've been about to sneeze. The end. Peace.